Hello my friends, today we're making baked pasta for Carnival together and everyone will love it. Look at this, what a show. It's beautiful to see and above all delicious to taste. It's mouth-watering. So follow the video carefully and you'll bring a masterpiece to the table. First, prepare the sausage ragu. It's very simple and easy. In a saucepan, we add a drizzle of oil, not too much, okay? Then, of course, as I always say, the amount of oil depends on the quantity of ingredients we're going to use. In this case, I'm cooking for 3 people, so you don't need that much. Let's turn on the stove. Let's let the oil heat up a little and then add the chopped onions, celery, and carrots. And we let it saute gently. While the sauteed vegetables are cooking, I crumble the sausage, remove the casing, and break it up like this. The vegetables are browned. Now add the sausage. And of course, we let it brown as well. Very good, the sausage is browned. And now, following the advice of my dear Federica, my collaborator, I'm also adding the peas and dedicating them to her. Hi Federica, I love you. Of course, these are frozen peas. If you don't have frozen ones available, you can easily use canned peas instead. After a few minutes of cooking, we deglaze with a bit of red wine, but if you have white wine, that's fine too. Let the alcohol evaporate. Okay, at this point the wine has evaporated and we add the tomato sauce. Let's add a bit of water. Obviously, you always need to add a little water to the ragu to give it time to cook without sticking. Here we go. Now let's adjust the salt. I cover and let the ragu cook for as long as needed. It doesn't take too long. Half an hour, 40 minutes at most, and the ragu is ready. Time has passed. As you can see, here it is. Our sauce is nice and concentrated. It's good, it's fragrant. Let's turn off the gas, and in the meantime, let's get the water ready for the pasta. The water is boiling. Let's add salt and put in the pasta. I'm using mezzi manica pasta, but you can use whatever type of pasta you prefer. While the pasta is cooking, let's prepare the other ingredients. As you can see, here I have some delicious fresh smoked provola cheese. Beautiful, really beautiful. But if you don't like fresh smoked provola cheese, you can easily replace it with regular white provola cheese. Or with mozzarella or fior di latte, basically whatever you like best, as I always say. So, in the meantime, let's cut some thin slices, which I'll set aside. I'll cube the other part. We'll cut thicker slices. And we'll make cubes like this. Once the provola is cut, now we cut the eggs into cubes, pieces or slices, however you prefer, but I cut them into pieces. Like this. My friends, most of the work is done. The pasta is ready, as you can see. Please remember to cook it 2 or 3 minutes less, so if it takes 10 minutes, 7 minutes is perfect. Let's turn off the heat and drain the pasta. Let's start by seasoning the pasta with a good handful of sauce, like this. Let's stir it. Next, add all the ingredients to the pasta. And of course, we can't forget a bit of ricotta. Yes, because during Carnival, every ricotta counts. And if someone doesn't like it, that's okay. They just don't add it. So, do you know what I do? I mix it a little with some sauce. This way it blends well. See? Like this. And yes, we need to make a great Carnival dish, because during Carnival you have to eat. Then the next day, Lent begins and you stop eating. Very good. And let's start pouring it into our delicious pasta, and now let's add the other ingredients as well. The eggs, the provola cheese, Parmesan cheese, and a hint of pepper that's essential. Another generous ladle of sauce. Here you go! And now let's mix everything together. Yeah, that's how it should be. Okay, we've mixed it. And now let's pour everything into our baking dish. Here we go. Let's spread it out nicely and finish the preparation with the remaining sauce. Delicious. Here we go. Let's finish with some more Parmesan, a little more pepper, and to finish, provola cheese. And now, straight into the oven, let's go. And here it is. Our baked pasta is out of the oven, and I baked it at 170 degrees for 30 minutes. Convection oven. With a conventional oven, raise the temperature slightly. As I always say, everyone knows their own oven. And now we just have to let it cool down a bit and then taste it. What a show! Oh. It's a poem. With this special tasting, I say goodbye and wish you all a happy Carnival.